Hello, assalamu alaikum and welcome. Today I'm going to make potato cutlets. Let's start it. So I have some mashed boiled potato here. Now I'm gonna add some seasoning into it. I have dry roasted cumin seeds and coriander seeds crushed. I'm gonna add 1.5 teaspoon, and then I'll add chili flakes, 1.5 teaspoon, some salt, 1 teaspoon, actually quarter teaspoon, and then chaat masala around 1.5 teaspoon. If you want, you can add it later on. And then I'll have fresh corianders, green chilies, and chopped onion. I'm gonna add it. Now I'm gonna add a lemon. I'll squeeze it. Now mix it well with your hands. Now taste it. If you think you want to add some more spice level, you can add it. It's totally perfect now. I have taken 2 big potatoes, and then I'll make it around 7 to 8 cutlets in it. Okay, now the batter is ready. Now I'm gonna make tikkis. Now let's start preparing cutlets. First I'm gonna take a medium size of ball. And then press it. So it's done now. Now I'm going to dip it in a beaten egg. I already added some salt and black pepper in it. Now I'm gonna dip it in egg, and after that I'm gonna dip it in crumbs. If you don't want to do breading, then it's totally perfect. You don't need to do this if you want to eat with tortillas or roti. Similarly, we'll make another one. dip it in egg. And then breadcrumbs. Here I am using Italian seasoned breadcrumbs. I'll show you this one. You can use simply whatever you want, simple breadcrumbs or seasoned breadcrumbs. So the cutlets are ready. It varies on your potato size. I took 2 large potatoes and then I made 8 potatoes. Now we will gonna fry them, shallow fry them. I am taking olive oil. Now I'm gonna add the cutlets in it. You can make it in large quantity and freeze it like 1 week. I'll add some more oil in it. Now fry them on medium heat. Now flip it gently. So cutlets are ready. As you can see, the nice golden brown color in it. Do try at home and let me know your feedback in the comment section below. And please subscribe and like my video. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.